Hey, welcome back to PSI Math Addition Subtraction take-home problems. This is question 16 through 18. I just wanted to point out that the answer key in your binder, 16 is incorrect. The answer is actually E, none of these. Now let's get to the answer. They're asking for the units digit of this complex subtraction problem. And instead of going through all the long math, there's actually a much shorter way to the answer, which will help you get through the test much faster. Imagine, if you will, you went to the store with $123,456. You spent $12,345, you spent $123, you spent $12, and you spent $1. In total, you spent 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, carry the 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, and 12. You spent $12,481. You started with this amount. 6 minus 1 is 5. I could do the rest of the subtraction problem, but it only asked me for the units, which is 5, and we're done with the problem.
Number 17. If August 1st falls on a Thursday, what day of the week will September 1st fall on? Well, first we need to figure out how many days are in August. So we're going to do our finger trip. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. And since our finger is sticking up, we know that August is 31 days. So now all we have to do is keep on going up by the week. August 1st is on a Thursday, and then the 8th is a week later, and then the 15th is a week later, and then the 22nd is a week later, and then the 29th is a week later, and then the 30th is on a Friday, and the 31st is on a Saturday. So now we must know that the 1st of September is on a Sunday.
Number 18, Roman numerals. There's a cheat sheet in your binder, and if you look, you should be able to memorize all the Roman numerals. If you haven't, you should try to memorize them for your district or state test. And if you have memorized them, you should know this problem. You should know that D equals 500, and that C equals 100, and there are two C's that equals 200. And on another one of our problems, it had a smaller number before a bigger number, so that means you have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. You should know that X equals 10 and L equals 50. So 50 minus 10 is 40. And then add 2 1s, and that's 2. And so that means our answer should be 500 plus 200 equals 700. This is 40, so you put a 4 in the tens place and 2. So the answer should be 742.